Fraction. What's a fraction? This is a numerical or mathematical expression used for representing a whole part or part of a whole or part of a whole. E.g., we can have 3/4. This is an example of fraction. And for a fraction, there are two parts. The part above the line is the numerator, and the part below the line is called the denominator. And a fraction can also be an algebraic fraction, which is 2x divided by 5y. This is an algebraic fraction. The numerator is 2x and the denominator is 5y. We can have a lot of examples on that. So for the second term we are going to look at is a simple equation. The simple equation. Simple equation. This is a mathematical representation. This is a mathematical representation of two expressions on either side of an equal sign. E.g., we can have 2x equals to 4. This is a simple equation. We can see the left-hand side is the side before the equality sign, and that's 2x. The right-hand side is the side after the equality sign. So 2x equals to 4 is an example of an equation that is a simple equation. So in this case, you can also have 5y divided by 4 minus 1 equals to minus y divided by 2. This is also an example of a simple equation. But this is a special case. This is a simple equation involving fraction. It's also an example of a simple equation. The third term we are going to look at is simple equation with fraction. Simple equation with fraction. Simple equation with fraction. With fraction. Simple equation with fraction. This is a simple equation. This is a simple equation. This is a simple equation with unknowns. With unknowns, it may be more than one or just one unknowns. With unknowns as part of numerator or denominator denominator of a simple equation. E.g., we can have x divided by 5 equals to 3. This is a simple equation with fraction. Looking at the left hand side, before the equality sign, x over 5 is an algebraic fraction. And x is at the numerator, which is the unknown. And we have 5 at the denominator. So this is a simple equation with fraction. We can also have y divided by 5 minus 6 divided by 3y equals to 1. This is also an equation with unknowns at the denominator. You can also see the unknown at the numerator. So this is also an example of a simple equation with fraction. The fourth term we are going to look at is what we call formula. What is meant by formula? What's meant by formula? This is an equation. This is an equation. This is an equation with letters. An equation with letters that represents. This is an equation with letter that represents quantities. That represent quantities. Quantities. For example, the volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder denoted as V is equal to what? Pi r square h. This is a formula. And now we know that for pi can be taken as approximately as 3.142. That's a constant. 3.142. And the r represents what? Radius. R equals to radius. And h is the height. The height of the cylinder. The height of the cylinder. So V equals to pi r square h is an example of a formula, that is the formula for calculating the volume of a cylinder. Thank you.